morning guys! We're here! We're home! Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog galing Hong Kong papuntang Sydney because it was hectic. Just look at this. Look at all that. Yan, yung maliit na yan, chinek-in namin. Kasi hand carry sana yan, diba? Kaya lang bumili kami ng alcohol dun sa Hong Kong. Dalawang yung malaking vodka. So, nilagay namin siya sa luggage. Na-fit ko siya sa luggage. And mabigat na siya, hindi na siya pang hand carry na weight. So, chinek-in namin siya. And then, tatlong malalaking luggage. So, the whole time, yung camera ko nasa bag ko lang kasi walang space for new messages. Meron akong package na dumating. I believe this is from Yes Style. Should we unpack this now or should we unpack this now? You know what? Ligo lang ako. Pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama ni Dan mamayang gabi. So, sila yung nagsundo sa amin sa airport. Buti na lang talaga kasi kung i-taxi to, good luck! In-invite niya kaming, sabi niya, magluluto ako ng meatballs. It's up to you kung pupunta kayo, no pressure. Sabi niya, sabi ko, pupunta kami. Kasi, I think yesterday, I think the other day, sinabi ko kay Dan, alam mo ba, nag-crave ako ng meatballs ng mama mo. Kasi matagal na ako hindi nakakain ng meatballs. Last family dinner namin, hindi meatballs yung prepare niya. Ang sarap ng meatballs nun. Anyway, so, nung sinabi niya na sabi ko, that's so funny. Kasi sabi ko lang talaga kay Dan, nagusto yung meatballs. Tapos nag-offer siya. Sabi ko, yes, pupunta kami ng dinner. Timing din kasi holiday ngayon, guys. Anzac Day. Walang open na mga shops. And parang wala ata kaming pagkain. Is that your phone, babe? Wow, all your messages are coming in. Naka-off kasi yung phone ni Dan the whole time. So, see, walang laman ang fridge kasi we made sure na in-empty namin siya before kami umalis kasi ayaw naming dumating na, sira na yung mga pagkain. And the house is clean as well. When I got in, guys, pagkapasok ko ng bahay, ang bango ng watermelon na Palm Beach na na diffuser. Nasa kwarto yun, ha? Hindi pa nga ako dumaan sa kwarto. Dumiretso ako dito sa sala, Dito namin nilagay lahat ng luggage and amoy na amoy ko yung watermelon. It's so good. I think, I'm not sure. Mag-edit siguro ako ng video para tonight kasi wala akong video para tonight. Nag-try ako mag-edit sa, sa plane. 7% na lang yung battery ng MacBook. So, hindi ko siya natapos. Pero malapit na. So, matatapos natin yan ngayon. Before siguro kami umalis, matatapos yung video na yun. Anyway, ligo lang ako. And then, yeah, edit. And then, yeah, see you later. Guys, guess what? Nakatulog kami ni Dan. As in, nakatulog. Magnanap lang sana kami. Tapos nagpa-alarm siya. Pero hindi nag-work yung alarm. Siguro na-set niya ng umaga. Anyway, yung plano sana namin pupunta ka sa mama niya. Mga 5, before 5, wala. 5:45 na. Tinawagan lang namin. Okay lang naman. Ito yung bigay namin sa mama niya, vodka. Pasalamat sa paghatid at pagsundo sa amin, uy. And then we got her this as well. Yung jelly na soap na pinakita, na-vlog ko ngayon We got her the cherry blossom. Para talaga ba? Japan na Japan. Yan. So yan lang. Do you want me to put it in the box? Na? Okay. Alright. We're ready. Naligo lang kami saglit. Tapos yun na. Tapos na. My gosh. I'm just gonna bring this backpack. How are you, my love?
Tired.
I know. I told her that we fell asleep. You look good.
Oh yeah, I look great. I like that.
Ako na tapos maligo. Tsaka pa din. Ikaw, you look good. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Tara, punta natin si Mommy because I missed the meatballs. And I did my video as well, babe. All scheduled. Yeah, nakapag-edit ako ng video kanina, guys, before kami nag-nap. Lang ako, hindi sana ako magnanap kasi after ko mag-edit ng video, sikasuhin ko na sana yung mga luggage. Isa Dan, sabi niya, bakit ka nagtatrabaho? Lika dito, matulog tayo. Sasabahan ko lang sana ba hanggang sa makatulog siya. Ayun, nakatulog ako, Dito na tayo, guys. Thank you, babe.
Oh wow, nice.
And this one.
Oh, what's that?
Open it.
Oh, that's cute. Anyway, the little...
I know. It's interesting. I think you like it.
Good sleep.
I know, we fell asleep. He was like for an hour and then I don't think the alarm worked. Well, it didn't work because we didn't hear it.
Okay.
Do you know what it is?
No. But what is
It's a soap. It's a jelly soap.
Yeah, it's interesting. Yeah.
It's so cool, actually. That's cherry blossom.
And so it's got a moisturizer in it?
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
like this?
Yeah, I don't know, but like they have different stuff.
Oh.
Yeah, they have like bros. We got the cherry blossom because like, you know, Japan.
It's like a ball of jelly, yeah.
That's
Yeah,
good.
it's cool.
Thank
You
you.
just
That's
put it
alright.
on your
Some Easter eggs here. Nice. Let's see the meatballs.
Yep, to there.
Yeah. I was talking to him about this. I was like, I missed these.
Isn't it funny how you...
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
thinking myself, they won't want to come, but I'm doing it anyway because
Yeah, no, we don't have any food at home.
we're not used to that bacteria.
Yummers. Pasta. How is it, babe? Oh, it could be. A guy.
That was bought at Foodland at Newton.
This one?
$2, it's all it was. They obviously sell the next day bread, so they
Thank
make
you.
it about a week.
Thank you.
No, they're not that easy. I'll do 3 or 4.
Yeah.
4 meals.
No, just 3 for now.
Okay, and you can always get another one, okay?
Yep.
You can always take your bowl home.
Thank you. Maybe a little bit more pasta.
I was trying
Thank you. I know. I'll do my best to finish it. Yep, that's perfect. Thank you very much. Thank
Put a bit of
you.
chili in the pasta too, guys, okay?
Mm-hmm.
In the sauce, so just be aware.
Yummers.
I've got your kids around, so you can.
So good.
The truck he was travelling in slammed into a tree, killing him almost instantly. He was just 24 years old.
The Anzac Day.
That's a lot of vodka.
There's a lot of vodka.
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate?
We are back home. May lunch na ako para bukas. Oh my gosh. Yung meatballs niya, guys, as in promise, the best talaga yung meatballs ng mama ni Dan. And nagdala na din ako ng cheese kasi wala kaming cheese. Walang laman yung fridge namin, di ba? So yan, lunch ko yan bukas. Binigyan niya ako 5 meatballs. So yung iba kay Dan. I will do some washing kasi kailangan ni Dan ng jeans para suotin bukas sa football. Manonood kami ng football bukas, guys. It's that time of the year again. We will start with the small luggage first. Alright, so ito yung ginawa ko. Trick, ha? This is a trick. Oh my gosh, sorry. Kapag nagpapak, merong ganito. Diba bumili si Dan ng VR? Virtual reality from Miniso. Tinry ko na tanggalin yung VR para hindi like sobrang laki sa box ba. Kasi nga diba maliit lang yung luggage. Pero, natatakot naman ako na masira siya kasi wala siya sa box. So yung ginawa ko, naglagay ako ng mga maliliit na pieces, loose pieces, sa box. Para at least, like, you know, punong-puno pa din siya. Tapos, hindi ka na mahihirapan ipack yung mga maliliit na pieces na i-fit mo dun sa luggage itself. So, that's what I did. I have some gachapon here. And then, ito, tinanggal ko na din to sa packaging. Ito yung nabili ko sa Miniso. Ito, try ko to sa sa Joe Malone ko. Sabi ni Dan, bakit, i-transfer mo na lang yung hand wash dyan. Sabi ko, gusto ko i-keep yung Joe Malone na packaging. Gusto ko lang lagyan ng pump. Okay lang naman yun, diba? And mga socks na malinis to. Okay. And then, nandito yung VR niya. At least, nasa box pa din yung VR, diba? Isn't that a good trick? Is that a good trick or a good trick? Okay. So, ito yun. Yan, pack lang natin tong mga to. I will do a haul pala, guys, sa mga nabili ko sa Japan, especially the Don Quixote stuff, yung mga tax-free na hindi namin na-open. Bukas nyo mapapanood, guys, ha? Yung haul. Alright, so I'll just do a load of washing, guys. 1 luggage down. That's empty now. Next one. Let's open this. Ting, da, da, ding, da, ding. Ting, da, da, ding. Teddy! My first ever Teddy. Are you okay, buddy? Hello. Hello, babe. Teddy, babe. He's a bit flat, but he'll be alright. Come on, Teddy. Wait, sir. Yay! Can you help me, my love? He's back! He's alright. Good Teddy, that one.
He's a good one.
Alright, 1 Teddy down. And then here's the clothes. Okay, I'll do this. luggage down.
Okay.
Can I have one more, please?
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you, babe. This is the new one.
That's yours.
This is yours.
Oh, yeah.
It's a new one.
Who knows what we've got on there now?
Look at what I did with the stuff. The heat packs. I kept the box, but like I made it flat. Yeah.
Good idea.
Alright, so smart. Teddy!
Good one.
Who got this Teddy?
That one's mine.
That's Miffy.
It's a cutie.
Got a friend. Oh. Good. Another trick. Kung meron kayong mga boxes na ganito, tapos gusto nyo dalhin yung box. Gusto ko kasi siya dalhin para mapakita sa haul. I-ano ko lang siya, i-flat ko lang siya. Tapos balik. Tapos, yan. That's so good. Luggage down. Last one. Last but not the least. Yes, please. Alright. Wow, I have a lot of washing to do, people. That's okay. Alright, that's the last one. That's it. Now we're gonna take care of this luggage. I mean the laundry. Alright, natapos na namin i-unpack lahat, guys. Magulo pa yung bahay, pero okay lang. Kasi yan, i-haul ko yan bukas. And then yung mga teddy, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. As you guys can see, hindi naman kami mahilig sa mga teddy. Nakaka-addict lang talaga sa Japan. Anyway, i-haul ko yung natanggap ko na package. I believe this is from Yes Style. It is from Yes Style. Tama. Okay. So it says, thank you. Hope you're able to... Ah, okay. Alright. These are the 19 hidden gems from Yes Style. Actually, I will do a separate video on this, guys. Kasi this is something special from Yes Style. Wait. Let me just check kung lahat ba to yung 19 hidden gems. Yung ano namin, yung picture namin. Binigyan pala kami nito. Hindi ko alam kung na-mention ko sa inyo. But when we did the go-karting in Tokyo, they gave us a picture. Yan. So, yan yung... Was that the Tokyo Tower? What do they call that?
Oh, yeah. Tokyo Tower.
Tokyo Tower, guys.
I'll put one of those on the fridge, babe.
Yeah, lagay mo yun sa fridge. Is it the same picture, babe?
It is.
Yeah, and our tour guide was Igor. Him. He was our tour guide. He's actually really good. Like, it's so good in Japan. Kasi yung mga Japanese, ang babait nilang tao. Like, feeling ko hindi siya mag-work. Feeling ko lang, ha? Hindi siya mag-work sa ibang country. Kasi, diba, kapag tayo nagda-drive, parang we get really annoyed of people na parang hindi alam ng rules. Hindi alam yung rules. And kami, wala kaming alam. But because the Japanese people were so nice, like, Japanese kids were waving at us. it was like seriously the best experience, guys, sa Japan trip namin. Do you agree that? Was it your best as well?
Yeah, it was the best.
Yeah, like para sa akin, kung gusto niyo lang naman ng like, you know, kung gusto niyo lang naman i-try, like I highly recommend to try doing that. Like it was so good. It was the best experience ever. For the amount that you pay, I think it was worth it. Kasi they gave you this and then they take pictures like along the way as well. Like nung nandun kami sa road, nagpipicture sila and lahat ng picture na nakuha nila, kasi mayroong dalawang tour guide, sa harap at saka sa likod, lahat ng picture na nakuha nila ay airdrop nila sa'yo or email nila kapag Android ka. So you get a lot out of like what you pay. How much was it, babe?
Yeah, $100.
Yeah, $100, which is around
Even less, $90 Australian.
siguro mga just under 4,000 pesos sa Philippines.
No, less.
Less, yeah, just under.
I reckon like 3,000
something, 3,000 something.
Like 3,000.
Yeah. So it's definitely worth it. And sobrang nice. Hindi ko to na-mention sa vlog ko, pero sa lahat ng airport staff, sa lahat ng napuntahan kong airports, usually yung mga airport staff like sa immigration or like yung sa luggage, kapag nilalagay mo na sa conveyor yung luggage mo, I'm not sure if you guys noticed, pero like yung mga staff doon, napaka-stiff nila. And I think they need that for the job, para hindi ka madaling pakiusapan. Like, para sa akin normal na parang may grumpiness. Hindi naman sa grumpiness, pero parang napaka-stiff ng mga airport staff, diba? I'm pretty sure napapansin yan ng iba din. Pero sa Japan, they're really nice. Like, yung bag ko, na ano siya, na-hold siya ng konti kasi meron akong ano doon, mouthwash na 100 ml. Sabi niya, pina-open niya. Tapos like, they're very nice, very polite, very kind. The way na sinabi niya sa akin, di ba yung iba kapag open, ganun yan. Pero sa kanila, like, arigato gozaimasu, gumaganon pa rin. Like, oh my gosh. Sabi ko talaga kay Dan, the nicest airport staff ever. Like, sa lahat ng airport staff, sila yung pinaka-nice. Japan is not cheap though. Hindi siya cheap na tourist destination. Definitely not. But I'm pretty sure like if you do a lot of research and if you really like think of making the trip less expensive, you can do it. Like instead of taking a taxi, you can take a bus. Just make sure na hindi ka maliligaw sa bus. Just make sure na tama yung bus na sasakyan mo. Kasi kapag mali, bababa ka, magbabayad ka na naman for the next bus. So, alam mo yun? But taxi is really expensive. Trains are like, hindi siya, yeah, they're pretty good. Pero, alam mo yun, it's not like super cheap, you know?
I reckon it's the same cost as Australia.
Yeah.
Like the stuff. It feels like everything's about.
Yeah, like bus is what, 230.
It's probably cheaper than Australia.
Here around $3 to $5.
Yeah.
Bus, siguro. I
The
think.
230 is $3.
Yeah. So pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Sa Australia, guys. But no, nice people. Even though,
Very nice people.
yeah, kahit na hindi sila marunong mag-English, most of them, they do their best to help out. Like, yeah. Overall experience, would you do it again?
I reckon we've done Japan, to be honest with you.
Yes. You know what? I think how Dan did it was really good because we did Tokyo first. I highly recommend you do Tokyo first if you're going like more than one city in Japan. Because Tokyo is the busiest one. You okay?
Yes.
Tokyo is the busiest one. So at least you have like 100% of your energy when you land. So I think we needed that. Just like what we did in the US. Like we did New York first because that's like, you know, the busiest and you wanna like, you know,
the biggest and the best.
Yeah, look around. So Tokyo was a good idea to do first. And then Kyoto, I think how he did it was really good. So we spent most nights in Tokyo and then Kyoto.
5 nights Tokyo.
Yeah.
4 nights Kyoto. And Osaka, less than a day.
Yeah, just in case people will ask for our itinerary, we don't really have like a written down itinerary. Unlike the US, na he did it like, you know, write it down every single day. With Japan, no. But he did his research, like he will do his research one night before. So we have like our plans trip the night before. He plans our trip the night before.
The only thing we booked was go-karting.
Yeah, so the only thing we booked in advance was go-karting.
Yeah.
And the rest, we just did there and paid there. Right?
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's really good. Maybe it's not something that, oh, we need to go back next year because we did it already. We've seen the stuff that we
wanted to see.
Wanted to see.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's good. It's good. It can be pretty hectic though, with like traveling from one city to
Bloody
the other.
tiring. We're buggered.
Yeah, I'm
so
really
tired.
tired. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
it was long enough.
it was long enough.
Yeah.
Especially if you're jumping from one city to the other. It gets really tiring. Like getting all your luggage in the train and stuff. Like you probably could take, no, I was gonna say you can take a taxi, but it's gonna be, no, you can't. No. But no, it was good overall. And sa lahat ng nag-hi sa akin sa Japan, nag-hi sa amin dalawa. Thank you guys so much. It was so good. And yeah, I can't wait to unbox all the stuff that I got.
No more holidays.
No more holidays for a while.
Wow.
Yes.
Work,
December.
December.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe December.
Maybe December. If I'm free. Charot, I'm free. Alright. Mag-ano lang ako. Laundry and actually, yun lang. Laundry lang. Kasi itong mga to bukas na to. But that is it for the vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Hopefully tomorrow. Good night. Bye.
Good night.
Do you want to say anything?
Yeah, good night.
Okay. Bye guys.